with another video. So today we have this thing I won at the online Aibo meetup. These 1/6 scale Aibo minifigures. These are the first gens, I think. Yeah, 1/1s. So let's see what's inside there. By the way, me and a few of my friends have been thinking of hosting like a New Year's meet. So be on the lookout for that. If we do post any updates, we'll probably post it into Aibo Repair. Link will be in the description. Oh wait, look at these cards. Oh, so it looks like we got all 4 of them since I see 4 capsules in here. Hey, this is pretty neat. Alright, let me open up. This is the first one out in this little box thing. So yeah, let's take a look. Oh wait, what's that? Alright, I'll open up that in a second. We're back, and I set up some like ghetto filming rigs, so I guess you can kind of see what's going on. So let's open up the actual body of the Aibo first. I think these ones are the posable ones, not sure though. And oh wait, oh yeah, they're posable, kinda. I don't know if this knee joint's meant to move. I don't really like the sounds it makes whenever I move it though. Yeah, I ain't too sure about those knee joints. I'm pretty sure those aren't meant to move, which is a pretty big oof. So yeah, let's get the rest of it unpacked. We're gonna take out the head from the box to put that on. That just snaps down, I'm guessing? Yeah, I think that's on. Yep, that's on. Is the jaw open? Oh shoot, guys, the jaw opens. Yo. And it also falls off. I'm just gonna put that jaw back on and not mess around with it too much. Alright, the jaw is back on. Let's put that head back on. So there's not much articulation with these guys. Like the legs are all like put together in like a way where it's not really meant to move. The head just tilts and like, yeah, just tilt. So it looks really cute though. I'm gonna take out the rest. Alright, I gotta put this guy on his, look at this tiny station. Oh, so small. Oh wait, where's his tail actually? Pretty sure that's in this last pack. Alright. So we get this tiny pink ball for like display, I guess. And let's take this piece out. Okay, there's another piece of tape in here. Alright, we finally have it open. Looks like there's just a tiny little tail in there. How do we put this on though? Alright, I guess just don't wanna. Alright, we'll figure that out later, I guess. Let's open up another one. Also, one of these are like the clear ones, which is pretty neat. So let me just struggle to open another one. This is like high quality plastic. Jesus. Alright, another one is open. We're gonna keep that pink ball over there. Oh, this is the clear one, guys. Okay, let's get this open. Does this one have its tail attached? Nope, still doesn't. Okay, so that's not open. Alright, there it is. That's how you're meant to open them. So, like, they're all clear and stuff. Whoa, that's neat. The battery door doesn't open, but, like, that's because these things are, like, just that tiny. Look how small that is. I'm just gonna put you on there for now. And we got a clear little head block. Yep. Alright, let's get the headpiece on. I don't know if I have this head completely on, but I also don't want to, like, break anything. Oh god, all the legs just detached. Okay, this is the back. So, like, do these just all on? Oh, wow, that was pretty easy. Alright, we've got a clear station, guys. Look at that. Whoa. Yeah, I'm just gonna, like, get this little guy on a station. Okay, his leg just fell off again. That's concerning. Then again, though, I'm pretty sure, like, these are somewhat old, so it kind of explains why the leg kept on falling off. Guys, so I just went ahead and finished assembling it. So we have all the Aibos. Also, look at this attention to detail. Like, if we look in the back, this is a 110. That's a 1-on-1. That's another 1-on-1. That's a... wait. I have to get better at identifying Aibo series, but, like, the ones that should have longer tails have longer tails. The ones that have shorter tails have the shorter tails. Wait, which one is that? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a 1-1-1. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the shorter tail ones are the 1-1-1s. So I guess this is the outro. I've been thinking of getting a Patreon, so I may put up an end card. So, TN21 out. See you guys later for those 3D printed parts. By the way, those are all going to be open source, so, like, don't worry about that. Yeah, see y'all later. Bye!